Now that we got that, now that we got this chipper shredder flywheel finished, that guy's done, completely cleaned up, ready for putting into whatever scrap pile we put that in. We got some other stuff that needs to be cleaned up next. So these guys, I guess I'm just going to keep them. These are the blades. I guess I'm going to keep them just like that for now. I'll set them aside, throw them in the scrap pile. There's some bushings over here and the hammer blades. These guys right here, I guess I'm going to put them in the same stack. The bushings as well. This is all stuff that, there's quite a few of them. I guess I'm just going to put them all in the stack here. There's some stuff here that has to be dismantled. So let me go do that. I can do that. These guys right here, I suppose those could go in the bin. And there's a few other pieces here that need to be taken care of. Let's get the Allen wrenches going and see if we can't. Some of these, they might not be able to come out. That one right there, that one looks like it's rusted shut. Well, maybe we can use the pliers or something to get it out of there. These are the bushings, and they're held in by some sort of Allen key or Allen wrench. I'm going to see if I can't get them out. Yeah, that's definitely an Allen wrench of some kind. Let's try and to see if I can't get these things out of here without having to cut them. That would be ideal. All right, we're going to find an Allen key that'll work. I think this, I guess that's millimeters, a 2 millimeter Allen key maybe. Oh, is that not going to work? No, that's not going to work. Okay, let's try 2.5 millimeter maybe? Or is it metric? It's probably metric. All right, let's try. No, 2.5 millimeter won't fit. And 2 millimeters is too small. So maybe I'll try a metric. 1/16 inch maybe? Perhaps? No, I should have done these the other way. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, let's try 1/16. Let's see if that'll work. Nope, that's not enough. Now the 5/64 is probably, that one's probably not going to work, but we can try it. All right, let's try it. 5/64. Yeah, that's not going to fit either. Okay, so I guess, no. Yeah, I guess I just have to cut it off or drill it out maybe, or hammer it out. Maybe hammering it. Where's my hammer? Okay. Yeah, okay. It looks like it just needs to hammer through. I wonder if I take something like a 1/8 inch Allen key and use that thing out of here. Let me show you a little up closer. I was thinking maybe, see, this thing is held in by this pin. It's going all the way through. And I was thinking I could get these bushings off of here and get this thing off and recover that plus the hammer here. And then this would just go on the scrap. But I think I'm just probably going to have to cut this off. Then this and this can come out. It looks like there's a washer in there. But then this thing, I'm probably just going to have to cut it like straight in half and try not to cut too close into that little gap so that maybe this thing could still be usable, but I'll have to scrap that thing and cut it. That'll just get cut in half twice. Then I can still use this, because if I cut the end off, then this can come out, that can come out. I guess we'll have to do that. So I'll work on these guys. There's a couple of these, maybe more than a couple. I think there's 3, I think there's 4 of them. There's 4 of these guys I got to take care of. So let me put my Allen keys away. They're not going to help anything. This is just not going to work. At least not like I thought it was going to. That's disappointing. But it's not the end of the world either. Get my Allen keys put away. If it'll go, there it is. Okay. Get all the Allen keys put away. Was there another Allen key I left out? To put this file back away. That one goes here. There's the other file that I was using. That one needs to get put away as well. Now that I'm done with that. Okay. Was there any other Allen keys I had? We're done with the hammer. I'm just going to have to do it like I cut that stuff apart. All right. Let's put the drill away. Battery. Put the drill bit away. Put the drill away. All right. What else? So I'm going to use that. Do I have any Allen keys sitting up? No. No, I got all my Allen keys put away now. Okay, that's good. Okay. Put that away. And I already got the cutting blade on. I guess we're ready to go. Back to time. Oh, here's the other bushings. That's right. Here's the other bushings. Those were the other parts, like from here over, there was more bushings and blades sort of stacked up. So the only one that was the end that I had to get off, which is what we're going to work on now. So I'm going to get that stuff done. Let's have some fun with that. So, yeah. Let's go do that. if you ever feel useless, just remember I cut off useless parts for a living.